Welcome back to my new series. I'm so excited for this one. It's Chetna's Healthy Indian, as I have my new book Chetna's Healthy Indian out as well. I'm so excited about it because it is my everyday food. I cook for my family, which is really healthy, but at the same time, and most important, it is super delicious and quick to make. So today I'm sharing Jeera aloo or cumin potatoes with you, all in one pot, cover, cook in minutes, done. Serve it with whatever you like, chapatis, rice, and it is delicious. Start with a hot pan, of course. In goes in 1 tablespoon of ghee or sunflower oil, whatever you choose to use. Teaspoon of cumin seeds, and once they sizzle, I'm going to throw in 3 garlic cloves grated. 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and half a teaspoon of salt goes in. And let it sizzle for a few seconds before I add 5 potatoes, medium size, and with that I'm going to add 100 ml of water so that nothing burns at the bottom of the pan. Give it a good mix, and then I'm going to cover and cook this on low heat. And you'll know when it's ready because you can cut through the potatoes with a spoon or a wooden spoon. And then we're going to finish with coriander, of course, a good handful of fresh coriander leaves, finely chopped. And this is an amazing dish to serve with chapati or with some rice on the side of some dal. And there are some cracking dal recipes in this new book, Chetna's Healthy Indian. Please get your copies. It's out now. I'll leave the link in the description box and up in there. And I've got a selection of recipes from the book. They'll all be in my new series, Chetna's Healthy Indian. So please do subscribe so that you don't miss any recipes. Ring the bell button, then you get a notification every time a recipe is posted. How amazing is that? Right, I'm going to dig in because why not? I've cooked all this food. It's the simplest of recipes, simplest of food to cook. You can wrap it in a wrap or chapati, take it for a lunch box. Absolutely delicious. I love to hear from you guys, so please leave your comments, and I'll see you next week with a brand new recipe. Bye for now. Do give this a go.